Heavy drinking can cause dehydration and many nutritional deficiencies. Lacking nutrition can make it harder to recover from alcohol addiction and create other health problems. A good diet can help you improve your mood, increase your energy levels, stabilize your blood sugar levels, and reduce cravings. A balanced diet usually consists of 5 things. Protein to repair the tissue that alcohol damaged. Fruits and vegetables have compounds that aid in liver detoxification and strengthen your recovery from alcohol or drugs. Healthy fats can aid in recovery by enhancing cognitive functions and mood. Examples of healthy fats include fatty fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Whole grains are essential to a recovery diet as they are rich in B vitamins and fiber. Examples of whole grains are oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Supplements like B vitamins, magnesium and zinc play an important role in alcohol recovery because alcohol tends to deplete these vitamins. It is essential to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure these are appropriate and safe for your personal health circumstances. Food that might hinder your recovery include processed foods, foods high in sugar, and foods high in sodium. At our inpatient rehab facilities, patients get well-balanced, nutritional meals and snacks that are designed around recovering from addiction. If you or a loved one is struggling with alcohol and nutritional issues, the Recovery Village can help. We offer physician-led, evidence-based addiction treatment programs to help you recover and maintain sobriety. Call our recovery advocates today at 855-239-9898 and get your life back.